Hi, my name is Connor. I was addicted to marijuana and cigarettes and have had a long struggle with depression and anxiety, OCD, and paranoia. And after seeing Dr. Jati for 5 sessions, I feel much better. I have energy. I still struggle a little bit with depression, but I noticed a marked difference. I haven't done drugs since the beginning, since I've started, and I have not really had the desire to do them. I still struggle with cigarettes. I haven't smoked them, but it's still there. It's getting better. The desire to not do it or the desire to do it is going away. I feel much better. I felt the difference from the first session, and after doing applications that I got to do when I went home, that's made a difference too. I like Dr. Jati because you don't need drugs, you don't need anything complicated. It's very simple treatments, and they work very much.
My son Connor has been dealing with some issues for a long time. My wife and I have come in to see Dr. Jati and are still in treatment. We've seen a lot of benefits from it. We knew that when the time was right, if my son wanted, we could bring him to Dr. Jati and it would really help him because he was suffering from addictions. And he was suffering from those addictions because he didn't know how to deal with his anxiety or his depression or cope with certain things going on in his life. So we felt from a small boy that he was different. And as he got older and became a teenager, it was very apparent. So we knew Connor had some problems since he was a young boy. Again, as a teenager, it got to where we didn't know what to do. So we took him to some pretty extensive and expensive treatments, and there's always a lack of kind of hope. And Connor was very compliant. He really tried different diets, allergic to gluten, dairy, sugar. He had candida. So he really, in a lot of ways, was real compliant. He tried these impossible diets, and he would just go up and down and crash, and it was very difficult. And as a parent, I spent a lot of time educating myself on other things. At one point, we really felt like he had a bit of Asperger's. Very intelligent kid. Anybody who knows him real well loves him. And he just really was struggling. And so I'd say about 4 years ago, he really crashed. Kim and I found Dr. Jati, and we started. Connor wasn't living with us. At one point, he was homeless. And we tried everything we could to help him, but at the same time, there's a point you got to let him go. And so we let him go. And we knew with our results at his young age, if he was comply with Dr. Jati, that we would start getting results. So we're 5 treatments in. It's just going to take time. It's not like everything heals all at once. It does take a little bit of time, but we're already seeing noticeable results. And as far as those results, I'm trying to think. He does seem to be, his mood seems to be leveled out. I think he has faith in Dr. Jati, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. He doesn't normally have faith in doctors, neither do I. But
It's true.
when I brought him here, I knew he could help him.